Hey, and welcome to the vlog. And you know, anytime I buy something, I'm gonna put it on my vlog to share it with y'all. This is the Sleep Into the Future, and what it is, it's a pillow. It's from Pillow Cube. They make their pillows square, not, you know, flat like a normal pillow. This one here I got because it's designed so you can sleep on your side. I was kind of looking for one, and for some reason it showed up on as an ad in one of my YouTube videos. So I decided, well, I'll go ahead and try it. So it says, thank you. Thank you. Listen, we know that Pillow Cube is a crazy idea, but that's how you change the world. We're just a small company trying to help side sleepers get better rest. We hope that as you start to sleep better, you will come up with some crazy ideas to change the world too. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please reach out to our comfort specialists here at support@pillowcube.com. And sincerely, J. Davis, Cheap Cubist. Let me out. Few instructions. Your pillow has been trapped in a tight brown box and needs some air. Lift the flap front and let the boy out. Your cube should fully expand in 20 minutes. Our special viscoelastic foam is temperature sensitive, so it may be cold. It could take a little longer. Since your cube has been trapped in plastic wrap, you might notice plastic odor, which should dissipate in an hour or so, but sometimes lingers up to a day. On proper care and feeding of your Pillow Cube. Don't feed your pillow cube. Your pillow cube comes with your new Pillow Cube foam core and custom pillowcase shell. Do not wash the foam core. It hates water. But we recommend washing the shell once a year or more. Take care of it, but seriously, don't wash the foam. So there we are. All right, so I've already zipped it open. Let's see what comes out. All right, better sleep now on your side. I usually sleep on my back, but the wife always rolls me over because I guess I snore. Let's see, I already read that on the back side. Love it. Love it. Leave it. A review that is sleep on it at least a week before you make your mind up. Your neck probably isn't used to the level of love and support. Maybe required time to adjust. If you love it, please join our loyal program at Cube Loyalty. And please don't be shy about sending us your feedback. Don't feed your pillow. Don't wash cord foam. And again, it said the exact same thing. So thank you, Pillow Cube. Here's your pillowcase. And here's the pillow. Okay. Ha 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 ha. Nap responsibly. So let's see. We're supposed to put this on first. Listen. We know Pillow Cube is a crazy idea. That's how it's going to change the world. A few instructions. Remember washing the pillowcase once a week. The shell core. Okay, so. And that's the thing. It's a square. This is a square pillow. Alright, so we're opening up. Okay. All right. Let's not cut the pillowcase. Okay, here's Mal being let in. You know what? Definitely, while before it completely inflates, I think we'll get the pillow case on it. Pillow out of the box. Oh, it's starting to open up already. There you go. There it is. You can see it's a square pillow. Square pillow case. All right, let's get can we get it in here? That's definitely filling with air. At least I got my hands. My hands are clean for once. Come on, let's go. I know I should have started earlier. It'll take a little while to get it on there. There we go. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, what do you think? Okay. This is overlapped. It's overlapping. So here we go. It's filling up. I like it. All right, we'll see what this looks like in a couple hours. Doesn't really stink. I don't think so. All right. Hey, it's a continuation of the pillow cube. I used it last night, and I got to tell you, I didn't have any neck issues. I slept comfortably, and I got to agree, it's one of the most comfortable pillows that I've slept on. So I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can find the company. And I agree, try it out. I'm not sure what the sale price is on it, but I think it was like $130. But you know, you're going to be sleeping on this for a long time. So it was definitely worth it. I can sleep on my back with no problem, and I can sleep on my side. And I still haven't had a chance to see if I cut back on my snoring last night. And because of being in the service and sleeping on an aircraft carrier with noise going on all the time, I wound up having a habit of having a pillow under my head and a pillow over my head. And I've been sleeping like that for 30 years.